We're going to be cooking the spicy eggplant satay. So we're going to start by gently roasting the eggplant. We're not going to char it, we're just going to make it soft. It's done. We're going to try to chop slightly larger bite size. You can use any cold pressed neutral oil, 1 teaspoon salt. Now I'm going to move to making the satay sauce. We're putting about 4 tablespoons of sesame in the form of tahini. Sesame has a lot of healing properties. In fact, Ayurveda also uses sesame to make herbal medicine. 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 to 3 teaspoons of coconut amino, half a cup of pre-soaked almonds, a little bit of ginger, pre-soaked red chilies. Add a little salt to taste. We want a nice pasty consistency, but not too thin. You can start brushing on the satay paste into the eggplant. Here we're using cold pressed sesame oil. Really nice garnish is some fresh coriander and spring onions, and a little bit of roasted black sesame and black pepper. The spicy satay sauce is balancing out the sweetness of the eggplant.